Hello, and welcome back to Ian's English. Apostrophes, look at them. Today, the apostrophe S. It is practical, useful, and time-saving for possessives. So, native English speakers sometimes have problems with them, but follow my instructions and you'll get it right. Now, do you have a system like this in your language? Tell me about it in the comments below. How to use the magical apostrophe S, coming up now. Before we start, give us your support and hit the subscribe button. Thanks. We use apostrophe S or S apostrophe to show possession, ownership, or belonging. With a single noun, my sister, John, the singular possessive noun needs the apostrophe before the S. So, John's, apostrophe S, and my sister's, apostrophe S. Okay, so my sister's car is new. Obviously, this is not my sister is car or my sister has car. This is grammatically incorrect. So my sister's car is new. This means the car of my sister is new. Yes, she has a new car. The apostrophe shows possession. John's uncle lives in Paris. Okay, so the uncle of John lives in Paris. With regular plural nouns that end with S, then we put the apostrophe after the S indicating the plural. So parents with the apostrophe after, and teachers in plural with the apostrophe after. So your parents, your mum and dad for example, your parents' house is very big. Yes, so the house of your parents is very big. Now listen to these two. So your teacher's classes are very interesting. And the other one is, your teacher's classes are very interesting. So, they sound the same. No, but the first one you can see, it is teachers and then apostrophe. So it means more than one teacher. The second one is teacher, then apostrophe S. Then this means that it is one teacher. Yes, so it sounds the same, but it's one teacher. So here, in the context, people will understand what you're talking about. Okay. With irregular plurals, we put apostrophe S after the noun. For example, okay, child is singular. The plural is children. There is no S in children. So then we say the children's school. Children, apostrophe S, school. Yes? So the children's school is near their house. Person, the plural is people. So we say those people's jobs look very difficult. Okay, and if we're just talking about a whole phrase, we put the apostrophe S at the end of the phrase. For example, the boy next door, so the boy next door's father is a postman, yes? So the father of the boy next door is a postman. With two people or things, notice the difference. So Paul and Charlotte's holidays were great, and Peter's and Olivia's holidays were amazing. So the first one is Paul and Charlotte went on holiday together. So the holidays of Paul and Charlotte, whereas the other one is the holidays of Peter and the holidays of Olivia. Okay. Now, here there is a difference of opinion. Okay, so John is singular. No doubt about that. So we say John's house. John apostrophe house. Okay, but singular nouns ending with S, sometimes there is a different way of doing things. Okay, so James, or Charles, finishes with S, but it's not plural. It's also singular. All right, so we say James's house. So James, then apostrophe S and house. James's house. Notice the pronunciation. James's house. Okay. So this is the way I was taught at school. This was all my family always spoke in this way. But there have been some changes in mentality, and now a lot of people write James apostrophe and no final S house. But the pronunciation should be the same, but written it's different. Let's look at boss, for example. There, the boss's cars are new. Okay, so the boss has got some new cars. Yes. Okay. Boss is not plural, but we say the boss's cars are new. Now, should sound the same in my opinion, whether we put apostrophe S or just an apostrophe. Yes. So it reads different and it means the same. Yes. All right. I recommend you add an apostrophe S to all nouns and phrases except for regular plurals where you just add an apostrophe after the final S indicating plural. Okay. Now, sometimes the possessed noun is not necessary. So for example, my car is older than my brother's. Yeah, this means my car is older than my brother's car. Hey, look, that car's Mike's. You can see what this means, yes? So, I'm going to Jane's for supper. This means I'm going to Jane's house for supper. Oh, his dad's going to Terry and Sue's. Now, whose is this book? Yeah, it's not who is this book, because no, it says whose is this book? This book, is this book yours? Is it yours? So whose is this book? It's Anne's. Now, I can say John is a friend of mine, or I can say I'm a friend of John's, or I'm a friend of John and Mary's, of both of them. Yes. Also expressions with time plus the apostrophe S. So we can say last week's bad weather ruined the harvest, or Jerry has got 3 weeks holiday next month. Lucky him. So, what about this morning's class is going to be fun? Okay, so then these are all the different variations of how we use the apostrophe S to show possession. Yes. Click on the link above or in the description below for my notes. Yeah, and support us by subscribing, sharing, and let me be your teacher. Write a question or example in the comments section below, yes? And I will answer them as quickly as possible. Okay? Thank you very much.